What's up guys, John from Linkswell here, and in this feature video we're going to talk about a cool feature called the Google Play Store. That's right, for all of you Android users, you know exactly what the Google Play Store. For those Apple guys, the Google Play Store is Android's version of the App Store. Why is this cool? Because when you purchase a Linkswell radio, you're not just stuck with what features we put on the radio or what apps we put on the radio, but because we're based on Android and because we give you that Google Play Store, you can go into that Google Play Store and you can add all kinds of crazy apps to your radio. You could do video game apps, like if you wanted to sit there and play Angry Birds, you could do that. If you wanted to add a streaming app like HBO Max or YouTube or YouTube TV, or you want Amazon Music, all these different apps that you're able to, like most apps that you could put on your phone, guys, you could put on a radio. So I wanted to show you real quick what happens and how Google Play works. So let's get at it, guys. So the first thing you got to do if you want to get into the Google Play Store, well, let's go this one. Two steps you want to make sure you do. First is you want to make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, and second is you really do want to make sure that your clock is set right, because if the radio clock is not the same as your Wi-Fi source, Google Play will actually think you're trying to hack into it, and so it won't open up. So check two things, guys. Make sure your clock is set and make sure you get connected to Wi-Fi. Super easy to get connected to Wi-Fi. Simply turn the radio on, go into settings. Under System, you'll find Network right there, and it's going to pop up the Android side just like it would on an Android tablet or a phone. You're going to find all the hotspot sources there, so whether you're using your phone's hotspot, whether your truck has a hotspot, whether you have a mobile hotspot, whether you are using your phone, whatever it happens to be, find that source, pair it, connect it. You'll see in that top right corner, the icon will show that you've got what your service is, like how strong your Wi-Fi connection is. Once you've got it connected to Wi-Fi, you'll hit Apps List, and inside App List, this is actually where everything you download is going to save. So if you're running one of our home launchers, our standard home launcher, App List will be right there on the right hand side. It says downloaded apps. So when you go to the Google Play Store, or even if you were to install an APK from just a raw APK file, for those of you guys who are super techie, it'll all be right there in the app list. And so you can see there's going to be system apps already in there, but you can actually see quite a few apps that we've added on my demo radio here, from Pluto TV to Spectrum TV to Power Amp to Amazon Video, Shine Light, which is a Bluetooth app that actually lets me control these lights behind me. So lots of different apps, Movies Anywhere, lots of cool apps. But we're going to talk about Google Play, because you got to go to Google Play to get those cool apps first. So I'm going to assume at this point right now, your radio is connected to some Wi-Fi. You have opened up App List and you're looking at the same thing I am, and you can see right there that beautiful little Google Play Store app. So first time you log in will be just like the first time you log into a phone. You're going to have to sign in to your account, or if you're an Apple guy and you don't have a Google account, you're going to have to make a Google account. But once you've created your Google account, once you've signed into your Google account, there is the Google Play Store, just like you would on your tablet. And so you can search out what app it is you're looking for. So I have my key lights in my studio here are newer. So I actually searched out the newer app, and you can see right there, that's the app to control the lighting. I've actually already installed it. But let's see if we want to search something that we haven't had before. I don't think that I have put in Angry Birds, because it's the most classic of classic phone games, I think. So there we go, boom. We're gonna install Angry Birds 2 because it's newer, so it's gotta be better. Tap it, bing, bang, boom. It's gonna say pending. It's gonna go through, make sure that your clock is set right, all of that stuff, and then it's gonna go ahead and start downloading. You can see the ring right there. And again, once it's all downloaded, it's gonna end up in the downloaded apps right there. So the Google Play Store, what it does for a Linkswell radio is it gives you the opportunity to do so many things. I made a video a few weeks back about how you can change your home launcher. So something that Android offers is a launcher app, which is essentially how all your apps look and how the home page is set, how the icons are all set up. So a lot of people ask, hey, how can we change this, or how can we change that when it comes to the UI and how the screen looks? With Android, it's as simple as going into that Google Play Store, finding a launcher you like, downloading the launcher, and then running that launcher. You have stuff like Netflix, you have stuff like YouTube, SiriusXM apps, all of these different apps. Certain things, if you've got a Generation 5, I made a video a couple days ago about how you can control certain devices, Bluetooth devices with your Generation 5 radio. So perhaps you have a tuner app you want to do, you've got an OBD, maybe you tow a lot, and you've got like a EasyLink OBD reader where you want to be able to watch your engine, you want to see all those gauges rather than on your phone or one of their small displays, you want to see all those gauges on the radio. Google Play, download EasyLink, pair EasyLink to your OBD reader, and then you'll have the entire full screen right there on your dash. You'll be able to monitor all that's going on with your radio. See, the Google Play Store takes your Linkswell radio and turns it from a standard radio in your car to 100% customized exactly how you want it, how you like it, with added features that you can take and add and grow constantly. These are the things that make Linkswell radios special, because you really truly get to customize it and expand and grow its feature set based on exactly what you hope to get out of it. Hope that's helpful. Hope you're checking it out. I'm going to keep making more videos. If you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, but we'll see you guys next time.